Okay, again with this is pure observation that you need to look at, and I might go back and change another hole in a second because I offset by 2 millimeters, but I want to just double check. Actually it's 3, so it's 1.5. No, let's start with 2. I'm talking about the center hole here because this will be self-tapping the screw. That's what actually holds the plug together. So let's actually have a look at these little walls or ribs that are there. Now I know there is, if I go to sketch, click on that surface there, I know that the first rib is actually 5mm below, which is the same height as this here. So what I'm actually going to do is do my sketch from there and then let it go down. So if I just go to features, so go to sketch, and it's asking me for a planar surface. I'm actually going to pick on there for now. And if I go to center line, I'll just draw a line in. Okay, I know that's appended. You'll see that's actually off the surface. This will all come very clear as we go through. I'm just going to take that center line up to the center of there and down. It's defined. And I'm going to do another one from there. So I'm just going to map these out for now, and all I hope will come clear as mud, as they say. So I'm going to do the second one here, center line, go from there over to that wall there. That's the 5mm, and we will have to measure the angles of the others, but I'll put these in for now, and that allows you to give it a go. There's also, just press escape for me a second, there's also another center line that goes somewhere, it's not quite, actually I think it is just on the vertex of that there. Okay, and there's another that comes in, but if I measure these, I'll do it from the outside. I'll take 0.5mm off from the outside. Now, I think the diameter is, that's 8, so it's going to be 8mm for size. So that is, because I think that's, let's just have a double check for smart dimension. From there to there is 8, so that's perfect. I know that's spot on and it's defined anyway. And then the other one, you'll see what I'm talking about, is actually 7mm, so it's slightly different. So I'm going to draw that in there. I'm going to do this from out here somewhere. Okay, not line up with anything just for now. And then I'll put a smart dimension on from the outside there to there. I'm going to put the figure 7 in. Okay, and I'm just going to press the escape key to get rid of my dimension and bring that in to fix on that wall there. As I said, I should really take 0.5mm off these because I'm going to do these as, well actually no, I don't have to. Or do I? I think these are thin features. There's outside, so that actually from there to there, so I know which way to do my thin features. I'll let you work that out for yourselves. The length of those, if I use the other part, I think that top one is 4mm, and that is actually, if I just go smart dimension, if I go from there to there, that is 4mm. Okay, and that other one, again for that inside parameter, I can measure in, it's actually 4.5. Why these are different I do not know. So if I go from there to there, that should be 4.5. Okay, and then I can measure off the others as I go. So I'm just going to put those in for now. So just going to give that a green tick. Now to get these right, I really need to draw lines in that don't actually go in there. So if I show them, if I go to line, let's just see if I can draw a line from there to there. You see that's picked up on that center. I don't want that. If I just delete that, see it's still got blue. Oh no, it's gone there. Right. why have we got that there? Just going to delete that line off actually. I'm going to draw a line out here. Okay, I'm going to give that, hold the shift key down to there, and I'm going to make that collinear. Jumped on it, fantastic. Press the escape key so I can see it. I'm going to click on that there. I'm going to click on that outer surface. I can't do an outer surface, that's a shame. I'm going to be naughty. I'm just going to approximately drag that in to about, just clicks it in, go to about, it's going to jump every time. Okay, so only other one way to do this is to take that to there, that to there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert entities. So just press escape a minute. I'm actually going to, on the sketch, I'm going to convert entities. I think if I press on there, on there, on there, okay, it gives me a circle, and I know what these have got to go up to then. So if I just press my escape key, I'll do that one up to there, and I'll make that coincidence. Perfect. Press escape key from there to there, make coincidence. And if I do the same as I did before, to go to a line, go from there to there. Okay, and make that collinear. And then escape key, that point there, do that there, and from there to there. Okay, and then I'll just do the last one here. I can keep those center lines in. If I just do another line, short line, it doesn't matter where I put it as long as I actually put a collinear relationship on there. And then if I press escape, that one, shift key down to that one there, that coincidence. And this last one, click on there, hold the shift key down, click on that line there. Now I can use the pierce command or the coincidence. I'll use the pierce. No, it won't let me do it. Okay, let's take that off, delete, and let's see if I can just pick up on that endpoint there. No, it doesn't like it. I could cheat with this one again. See if it will go up to there and make coincidence. There we go. That's fine. Now, one more thing to do. I just need to take that line, and that line, and make them construction lines. Okay, I have that there. Oh, I might as well do these while I'm at it as well. Could do it all on the same hit. I'm actually going to convert that and that to solid lines, and then all I need to do is go to my features and go to extrude boss base. Okay, now don't forget I said about thin features here. Now I'm going to do this mid line, so if there's one direction there, I go mid plane there, so it's actually in the center of the line, so I know they're there. It's got it at 1.5. So that's 1 point depth. I know they're 1 millimeter, so that's fine. But with this, okay, I want to go up to surface. I want that merged. Well, I'm going to click on that surface, do the tick, and there I actually have my little ribs in there. Now what I'll do is actually leave you to continue to do that with the other ones. It will take a little bit of time and measurements, and then once you've done that, you've almost completed the top apart from the hole in the end, but we may actually put that in when you've got everything else assembled, and hopefully I'll see that soon.